Mae Gwnaed a Gwlan yn brosiect sy'n gweithio i ddod o'r rhanddeiliaid Gwlan Cymru ynghyd i wireddu potensial Gwlan fel deunydd naturiol, canoliadwy ac aml bwrpas, gyda'r nod o godi gwerth Gwlan i ffermwyr. Mi fydd Gwnaed a Gwlan yn cynnig profion am ddim i ffermwyr a cynhyrchwyr Gwlan Cymru. Mae'r profion hyn yn galluogi cynhyrchwyr gael dealltwriaeth o ansawdd y Gwlan ac yn gallu cael ei ddefnyddio i helpu liwio penderfyniadau bridio, yn enwedig i'r rhai sydd â diddordeb mewn gwella micro neu praidd. Mae cymryd sampl wlân yn syml ac yn gyflym. Dyma cod ni o'r World Testing Authority yng Nghanarfon i egluro sut.
Taking a sample is quick and easy and completely non-intrusive. Studies have shown that the most representative area to take a sample for fleece testing is from the mid-side of the animal and is most commonly done at shearing. All that is needed is 5 to 10 staples taken from as close to the skin as possible. We recommend a handful as a guide. Once the sample is removed, it should be placed within a bag and labelled so it can be identified later. We recommend leaving the bag unsealed to prevent moisture build-up, which may compromise the sample. Samples can be sent to the laboratory where they will be tested using our OFTA 2000. To test a sample, the staple is laid on the testing grid, the grid is closed and placed onto the OFTA 2000. The test is initiated and the OFTA begins its work. The microscope tracks the length of the staple, measuring the fibre diameter as it moves, compiling a micron profile and histogram for that staple. The test is complete within 20 seconds. A typical test report produced by the OFTA 2000 will show the average fibre diameter of the fleece and a histogram showing the micron distribution. Other parameters shown are standard deviation, staple length and the breakpoint of the staple.
I gael pecyn profi Gwlan am ddim, cysylltwch â ni ar gwlan@mentermon.com neu ewch i'n gwefan gwnaedagwlan.cymru.